What's going on, guys? Freedom Masters Training here, back at you. Hope you guys have been having a great day, man. You know me, I love every interaction I get with people. I love it. About 10 years ago, I was struggling with a lot of nervousness and a lot of, not really sure about myself. What can I say? I'm a late bloomer, and there's nothing wrong with that. So now, being a dad, one of the biggest things that I focus about is reinforcing what needs to be reinforced with my little guys that I consider. You got to meet one of them on one of the videos, Isaiah. Yeah. So guys, there's a lot of these things that in life that you really can't touch or can't feel, right? You got all these elements. One such is things that is what I addressed in several videos ago, talking about character. What is character? When stuff don't go right in your life, do you make a scene? How do you conduct yourself? What comes out of your mouth? Do you show remorse? I mean, these are the things that help me understand character. In a smidget, I'm not going to go all this blog right here is not about talking about character. I'm still talking about why not cryptos, because guys, this is much bigger than what we can simply put words to. Okay, I was reading about the founder of Overstock, how he's all into the blockchain technology, guys. This is big. One of the words that caught my attention is the word he used was restructure. Okay. The way blockchain technology how it's going to interact, how it's going to impact our life and our society is that it's going to move out of the way all the nonsense, the fiat concept, the fiat currency I'm talking about, guys, how it has structured our societies, our centralized systems. Okay, blockchain technology is going to come into the scene, okay, and it's going to revamp everything. The entire job industry is going to change. I was talking about that with my customers. The way robotics is going to completely change the paradigm. I deal with boxes. I deal with UPS, FedEx, regular mail. It's such great magnitude, and I'm starting to see the pressure Amazon puts on UPS, FedEx, and regular mail. Okay, I keep hearing from carriers now that they are expected to work 7 days a week. This is the kind of stuff that you heard in the factory world. Workers working 12s, right? 7 days. The way we know life, guys, is changing, and this is what I'm harping about. This is why I started this channel, Freedom Assets Training, because we the assets are ill prepared. This is my strong belief. We the assets are ill prepared to face the change that's coming. Now, I'm not sure if this change is going to be rapid fire or if the change is going to be gradual. Years ago, before Trump became president, I can't explain what it was, whether it was a vision. I call it a vision. I was driving up a mountain, hilltop, I should say, And what I saw was that when Trump comes into office, it's going to revolutionize the world. Okay, don't ask me what the extent of it is and why I saw what I saw. All I can say, guys, is that it excited me. It excited me. So what I began to visualize is Trump getting voted in. Okay, now mind you, I never voted for President Trump. I never voted for anybody in 2016. I remain neutral politically. I'm not a big political guy, but all I know was that I was going through a time period in my life that where I witnessed and I experienced how the debt-based society through the fiat currency system was literally enslaving people. Okay, and it affected me mentally and affected me on an emotional level, that where it caused me to aspire, it caused me to envision, and hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Us army guys, this is how they train us, right? We prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So for the past decade or more, I have been preparing my mind and the asset that I am, physical, mental, financial, and spiritually preparing, all in so many ways, preparing myself for what is coming down this way. Okay, so what does that mean? That means you have to go through a period in your life where you have to just be at the bottom level in order to prepare for what is coming, guys. Okay, whether that's a silver dime that's worth, I don't know what it's worth today, over $4. Okay, guys, so what I'm saying is that in this past decade or more, I have been preparing my mind to understand what has really been going on. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave you with this. I don't want to go too deep down the rabbit hole. All I can tell you guys is plan, prepare for what's coming this way. Because I personally believe if you take individual ownership, the best is yet to come, guys. Okay, I love you guys. Okay, DYOR, do your own research. Look into what is going on in this world. Look at the shift. The shift has already begun. I was reading a bunch of articles today of how banks, especially Deutsche Bank, is facing the difficulties that it's all coming, but who's going to get affected the most, guys? Okay, I'm going to be plain and simple and clear and truthful here. Who's going to get affected the most? It's going to be little people. So why am I on here? Because I, for one, this is a message to me first, then to whoever listens to this podcast, this vlog. Okay, this is so important, guys. Okay, individual preparation and this emotional intelligence that we need to possess today, pronto. This is so important. Okay, I hope you guys take this to heart. Please go back and watch 30 plus some videos that I've already put out. Okay, comb through them, watch it and prepare it, because the best is yet to come, guys. I love you guys. All right, plan and prepare. Adios. Peace.